Traditional markets of any country are exhibits that showcase the local food culture. That's why I'll begin my story on Korean food here. You can see a variety of bean-based food in Korean traditional markets. It's because Koreans love soybean. These foods are unique to Korea. Their main ingredient is fermented soybeans, and these pasty concoctions are the basis for many Korean dishes. This one, called Cheonggukjang, is the special food I'm going to talk about today. I'm a columnist. My name is Tim Alper. I've been living in Korea for 5 years now and writing columns on Korean cuisine for just as long. If you ask me to choose the best Korean food, I'll say Cheonggukjang. Cheonggukjang is Korea's traditional fermented soybean paste, rich in nutrients, a savory, nutty flavor, and healthy fermented substances. Cheonggukjang's triple goodness has prompted scientists to study its benefits. Koreans usually make thick and hearty stew with Cheonggukjang.
Well, the first time I ate Cheonggukjang, it was I was walking down the street with some foreign friends of mine, and I recognized that smell. I said, okay, let's go and try this. And they said, no, I don't want to eat that because it smells kind of strong. But I managed to convince them to at least go to the restaurant.
Why do Koreans enjoy Cheonggukjang? In the past, when there wasn't much to eat, it was a good source of protein. But even now, when there's so much food,
삭힌 맛, 그 다음에 고유의 진한 맛, 그 다음에 입에 찰싹살짝 달라붙는 맛, 뭐로 다 표현할 수가 없네요.
청국장 하면 왜 그 시골에 있는 그 고향을 그리워하면서 먹을 수 있는 그런 향토 음식 같은.
그다음에 이제 요즘 들어서 또 건강식이라고 찾다 보니까 또 그런 것도 즐겨 찾게 되는 이유 중에 하나가 아닌가 싶습니다.
it's a healthy, healing food that comforts the tired body and mind. Even celebrities promote Cheonggukjang as a beauty-enhancing food.
청국장을 좋아해요. 굉장히 몸에도 좋고 그래서 뭐 숙소에서 이렇게 냄새 안 나게 해서 몰래 해 먹기도 하고 그랬는데 우리 청국장이 아무래도 젊은 세대들한테는 많이 아직 알려지지 않았잖아요. 근데 뭐 김치뿐만이 아니라 청국장도 발효식품으로서 굉장히 건강에 좋거든요.
I'm off on a special outing, away from Seoul. How is Cheonggukjang made? How is it fermented? To find answers, I'm going to see a Cheonggukjang master. Korea's fermented food is said to be made by nature. The beautiful natural scenery and endless rows of clay pots attest to that. The sight is absolutely amazing.
But I've never seen quite so many of them, and I've never seen quite so many of them obviously full. You can walk past, you can smell. There's a smell coming off of it. You know, this fermentation process is actually, it's a very natural process, and you can really get a sense of that as you walk around here, as you walk around a garden like this.
What is this? I found an unusual straw rope hanging across the entryway.
이제 왜 못 들어간 거예요, 여기서?
이 장독은 우리가 옛날부터 신성한 곳이기 때문에 여기는 부정한 사람은 들어오지 말라 그래요.
Jangdokdae, where the clay pots are kept, is a sacred place. Jang, a blanket term for Korean fermented seasoning, is that priceless.
깨끗하면 들어올 수 있지만 깨끗지 않으면 못 들어요 여기.
오늘 아침 샤워했으니까.
들어오세요.
Jang determines the taste of food of a household. This is why Jang is deemed so valuable.
저쪽에는 다 고추장이고.
고추장 그쪽에 있어요.
쌈장.
쌈장도 있고요.
All these pots full of fermented seasoning, and Koreans still crave Cheonggukjang. Now, let's start making Cheonggukjang.
농사 지어가지고 콩 이렇게 하면 콩에 눈이 있어요. 그래서 주름이 하나도 없는 것만 콩을 골라서 이렇게 그래야 영양분이 있어요. 눈 있죠, 여기. 눈 있잖아.
A winnowing basket is used to sift out impurities. Then the soybeans are washed many times before they are scooped out with a strainer. It takes this many steps to prepare just one ingredient. People say Korean food is made with love and care. I think I understand what that means. Now the big plump Korean soybeans that determine the taste of Cheonggukjang are ready. But I came to wonder, what makes Korean beans so tasty, and why are there so many soybean-based foods? Soybeans originated in the northeastern part of Asia. The Korean peninsula was by far the most bountiful soybean producer. The Korean soybean is highly regarded for its flavor and nutrients. The origin of Cheonggukjang dates back 1,500 years. The ancient people of Goguryeo were horse riders. They used to carry cooked beans on the saddle as emergency rations. But the beans ended up fermented by the horse's body heat, and that was how Cheonggukjang came into being. Remains of soybeans from 1,500 years ago are still being discovered in Korea today.
세계적으로 우리나라하고 중국, 일본을 두장 문화라고 합니다. 그래서 콩을 이용한 장류를 먹는 그런 민족들. 그래서 장류는 독특한 것이 사실은 쌀을 먹는 우리 밥의 문화와 굉장히 연관이 되죠. 밥을 그냥 먹을 수가 없으니까 거기다 조미를 했고 조미하는데 우리 장류가 굉장히 깊은 역할을 한 거죠. 즉 맛을 좋게 했다 그런 얘기죠.
Big iron pots were used in traditional Korean kitchens. Firewood was burned in a furnace to heat the rooms and cook food. The heavy iron lid locks in moisture, steaming the food inside and adding more flavor. The heat is controlled by just adding or taking out firewood. There's no special device.
And then you have these pans which are fixed in. It's not like a movable pan. It's built into the whole system. And you have to cook everything inside these pans. I actually think that must be a nightmare to keep clean because you're not allowed to kind of take this into the kitchen and scrub it, right? You've got to clean it where it is. So the whole area needs to be kept very clean.
At last, the beans are cooked. When the lid is opened after 5 long hours, the buttery smell typical of soybeans wafts up, whetting my appetite.
영국이랑 baked beans이랑 조금 비슷한 맛이에요.
How are these cooked soybeans turned into Cheonggukjang? I can't wait to see. The cooked beans are spread over a large wicker tray, which is covered with a clean cotton sheets. Straw plays an important part in the soybeans' transformation into Cheonggukjang. Straw bundles help hay bacillus to multiply more quickly, thus facilitating natural fermentation.
여기서 칩에서 나오는 균이 있어요. 균이 있으면 나오면 그거를 발효가 더 잘 돼.
The beans are moved to the fermentation room. I think Cheonggukjang was made possible because of ondol, Korea's traditional floor heating system.
여기서 넣을 거예요?
Cheonggukjang was left to ferment on the warm floor under a heavy cotton blanket.
이게 솜잎을 해야 되고 또 이렇게 뜨뜻하게 덮어줘야
따뜻하게.
온도 차이가 바깥하고 안에하고 온도 차이가 별로 안 나게 하기 위해서 두꺼운 솜잎을 덮어줘야 돼.
Under the most natural conditions, Korea's Cheonggukjang matures. 3 days later, the cooked soybeans will be reborn as Cheonggukjang. The Cheonggukjang bacteria multiply 100-fold in about 10 hours. It's important to maintain the temperature at 42 degrees Celsius to make well-fermented Cheonggukjang that doesn't smell.
와, 색깔이 완전 바뀌었어.
It's amazing to see how the cooked soybeans have transformed.
그 건강한 균만 자라고 나머지 균은 부패됐다 그러지. 부패 알아? 섞어.
섞는 거예요.
섞는 거야지. 그러면 균이 죽었다 이거지. 죽으면 거기서 냄새 나요. 하얗게 옷을 한 벌 더 입혀서 먹는 게 우리나라 청국장이에요. 그리고 이렇게 하면 영양분이 훨씬 많아요.
The white stringy film is found only in naturally fermented cheonggukjang. As I witnessed this striking change, I was in awe of Korean fermentation techniques.
It's incredible. It changes from one color to the other color, and then back to the original color, and then it changes again. And it's actually quite strange that it undergoes quite so many changes in color. I didn't really expect that, but when you think about it.
To be honest, I couldn't tell the difference between cheonggukjang and Japanese natto before, but now I can. Cheonggukjang is naturally fermented without adding any microbes, but natto is made by adding a separate batch of natto bacteria to breed bacillus bacteria.
청국장이 내는 그 끈적거리는 물질은 폴리글루타믹 애시드라고 해서 아미노산 일종인 글루타믹 애시드가 중합된 그런 물질이라고 보시면 됩니다. 이 물질은 그 청국장균이 어떤 영양분을 섭취를 하고 이제 최종 대사산물로, 그러니까 우리 같으면 배설물로 밖으로 배출하는 그런 물질이라고 보시면 되고, 이게 항암이라든가 이제 여러 가지 쪽에 이제 효과가 있는 걸로 지금 학술적으로 보고가 되고 있습니다.
The finished cheonggukjang is mixed with seasoning before it's stored. The seasoning is simple, just sea salt and hot pepper powder. But why use bare hands to mix in the hot pepper powder?
손맛.
손맛.
그런 얘기 들었었는데. 예.
엄마가 해주는 손맛.
So I was told before about the sonmat, which is literally the hand taste. I don't know how you'd say that. It's not the taste of a hand. That sounds quite grotesque, doesn't it? But yeah, it's nothing like that. I think that what they mean by sonmat is that you really get the sense that a person is making this, not a machine, not not even a recipe book. This is really something that's been passed on through the generations. You know, you have someone's mother told their daughter how to make it, the daughter told their daughter how to make it. It's gone down through the generations. And
찰뜨지지 이제 점점 이제 떡같이.
이거로 저장하면서 계속 먹어도 돼요?
네, 이런 이제 이게 한국에서는 우리나라에서는 이게 계절 식품이라고요. 옛날에는 냉장고 없을 때는
그렇죠.
냉장고 옛날에 없었을 때는 가을에 이때쯤 해서 내년 3월 달까지 이거를 계속 이렇게 항아리에다가 한 항아리 담아놓고 숟가락 푹푹 퍼서 된장찌개, 청국장찌개에서 먹었어요.
Yeah, it's a very interesting technique of how to make it, and it actually surprises me because there are a lot of countries that have soybeans, yeah, but you know, who else has made soybeans in this particular method? Who else has actually made cheonggukjang from it? And it's very complicated. It's not something you just stumble across. So I think once Korean people had discovered cheonggukjang and how to make it.
In the past, when there wasn't much to eat during winter, cheonggukjang was the most affordable and excellent source of protein for Korean families. Why is cheonggukjang suddenly considered a superfood? The hay bacillus bacteria that take part in the fermentation of cheonggukjang have a special power to break down the soy protein and make amino acids or peptides which give cheonggukjang its unique flavor. Certain peptides produced during fermentation boost immunity, and isoflavones found in soybeans prevent breast cancer. Phytic acid removes oxygen-free radicals.
오랜 세월이 흐른 후에 항암 능력을 가진 유산균을 선발하게 되었습니다. 생쥐에게 고형암을 주사해 놓고 유산균을 계속 먹이다 보면 아예 암이 발생을 하지 않거나 또는 발생하더라도 생존 기간을 현저히 늘려주는 효과를 갖게 되었고, 그 이유가 무엇인가를 살펴보면 섭취한 유산균이 우리 몸속에 돌아다니는 그 백혈구를 자극을 해서 활성화시킴으로써 암을 퇴치하는 것으로 우리는 이해하고 있습니다.
Koreans have long known the effects of fermented soybeans and have used them as a medicinal ingredient. The records are found even in ancient Oriental medical texts. Has anyone really regained health with 청국장? I was able to meet with someone who claims to have had an amazing experience. Gynecologist Dr. Hong Young-jae says 청국장 was what helped him endure the agonizing treatment for his prostate and kidney cancer.
Dr. Hong, I heard that you actually were quite ill at some stage, right?
After that time, just I think only no eat, just vomiting is no.
You had no appetite.
Yeah, appetite no good. But my grandmother, my mother, just make 청국장, and I just remember this 청국장. So only 청국장.
That's all you ate?
Yeah. Just throw up. Okay. So I can live.
Wow, so you put that down to
No.
청국장?
Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Which is very interesting and quite a remarkable story as well. Very nice person as well, and very enjoyed hearing about his story.
Here's another person who swears by 청국장. Yu Young-ah says that it helped her lose weight.
이건 청국장이고요. 이건 제가 직접 만들었습니다. 그러니까 고도 비만에 속한 정도로 그렇게 뚱뚱했습니다. 그래서 살을 빼야 되겠다. 그 생각을 하면서 일단 운동을 시작했는데 운동만으로 좀 보다 더 효과 있게 뺄 수 있는 방법이 없을까 생각하다가 제가 어느 자료를 보니까 이 청국장을 먹게 되면 여러 가지 다이어트 효과가 뛰어나다라고 되어 있더라고요.
청국장 is the food that gave her confidence. She has even developed a unique way of eating 청국장. She freeze-dries raw 청국장 to make it into pills, which she adds to her homemade yogurt with omija enzyme. What substance in 청국장 helped her slim down? All the substances found in 청국장, protein, minerals, vitamins, lecithin, and saponin, help reduce body fat while fiber makes you feel full. Without a doubt, 청국장 is the perfect diet food.
이 청국장은 무기질, 비타민, 칼슘이 풍부하면서 단백질 함량도 높아서 근육의 손실을 최소화하면서 체지방을 감량할 수 있기 때문에 여성들의 다이어트 식품으로 각광받고 있습니다. 특히 청국장에 들어있는 레시틴과 사포닌 성분은 과도한 지방이라든지 콜레스테롤을 배출하는 효과가 뛰어나고 또 청국장 특유의 끈적거리는 바실러스균은 정장작용을 하는데 장내 유해 물질을 제거하고 변비를 예방하며 지방 연소에도 도움이 됩니다.
Koreans enjoy 청국장 in a variety of ways. They eat it raw or put it in stew. But which 청국장 is better for your health, raw or cooked?
유산균은 하나의 세포로 이루어진 미생물입니다. 따라서 자기들이 살아가는 데 필요한 모든 것을 갖고 있는데 죽었다 하더라도 이것이 장에 가서 터지게 되면 장에 살고 있는 다른 유산균들이 이 성분을 이용해서 더 성장하고 늘어날 수가 있게 됩니다. 따라서 죽은 유산균이 효능이 없을 것이라고 생각하는 것은 대단한 착각이라고 주장하고 있습니다.
Now that 청국장 is labeled as a superfood, numerous studies are underway to make it more palatable. One example is a venture company that has developed 청국장 jam, which doesn't have the characteristic strong smell. The company also makes powder and pills to make it easier to incorporate the seasoning into the dishes enjoyed by children or even foreigners. This is the person who demonstrated 청국장's potential to go global.
청국장은 첫째로 발효 시간이 짧아요. 3일이면 되기 때문에 3일 만에 바로 먹을 수 있어서 좋고요. 두 번째는 또 청국장은 또 짜지 않아서 된장이라든가 그런 데 비하면 많이 먹을 수 있어요. 된장 같은 건 조금밖에 못 먹기 때문에. 그래서 또 풍부하게 단백질을 또 먹을 수 있는데 특히 또 청국장에는 또 많이 먹다 보니까 유산균을 또 많이 섭취를 할 수 있어서 그런 여러 가지 좋은 점이 있다고 이렇게 생각을 합니다.
My Korean friends tell me that 청국장 is like home, something that heals and comforts them. What does that mean? Here's a farm in the middle of fall harvest. This old couple is busy reaping the crops. After the couple returns home, the husband helps with dinner preparation. The wife takes out a block of 청국장 for her husband. The stew doesn't require much, just some boiling water and a big lump of 청국장. She chops up some green onion and adds a block of tubu, or Korean tofu. This is how you make 청국장 stew, seasoned with mom's 손맛. 청국장 is Korean people's comfort food, something you crave when you are ill or feeling down. While dinner is cooking on the stove, the husband tries his hand at calligraphy. His wife then places a pot of humble yet lovingly prepared 청국장 stew in the middle of the table. It's an energy food that allows this old couple to do hard work.
청국장 맛있게 했네.
쏘셔.
고맙네.
청국장이 아니라 청퉁장.
청퉁장 맞아.
시골은 퉁퉁장.
Old Korean people often say that rice gives them the strength to carry on. A spoonful of 청국장 stew with white rice is all it takes to heal both the body and mind.
그렇게 해서 농사 져서 또 콩으로 매주 써서 퉁퉁장 해가지고 해서 쪄서 맹글어서 전부 이 아들 저 아들 그저 손자들하고 먹으라고 해주지. 근데 지금은 이제 늙어서 못 할라내려 아파서 또 해줘야 하는데.
Not long ago, Korean mothers busy with farming cooked 청국장 all winter long to feed something nutritious to their children. When ill and desperate to survive, someone thought of 청국장. This traditional food of Korea was passed down through a millennium. Doesn't this alone make 청국장 valuable enough? To Koreans, 청국장 is a food that heals the mind and body exhausted by everyday life.